So if you want a dollar account, trust me, you're in the right place. You're watching the right video right now because in this video, I'm going to show you how to open all these accounts you can see. GiGPay, Clever, Great, because you can see 4 accounts are very, very important when it comes to creation. When you want to get any of the US account, either in pounds, either in euro, or either in dollar, which is USD, you can use any of this platform. You can see here we have that of GiGPay, the next one we have that of Gray, now we have that of Clever. So I'm going to be telling you which one is easy to open, their requirements, and I will show you the video for each one of these. They are all ready. So all you have to do is first of all know which platform is better for you. Their exchange rates should be considered, number one. Then number two, the document required. The most difficult of them all is Payoneer, because Payoneer you must have at least $25 or there or $50 before you can withdraw your money. That is very, very insane. And the same they have their annual fee. That's at the end of the year you get charged for a particular fee. Like bank, we call them bank maintenance money. You know, those guys in Nigeria, you should know what I'm talking about. So if you want to start with Clever, the only downside of Clever is Clever has Clever does not give you a British account, but is the easiest among all. Yes, Total is the easiest among all. Try to create Clever. It's very simple. All you have to do is to use the create account here and you have it. But if you want the full video, I'll tell you at the end and I'll give you a link for you to watch it immediately. Then the next one here is GiGPay. GiGPay has been trending for a very long time. Yes, the reason why I love GiGPay is their exchange rate seems to be very, very better than most of others platform. But their setback there is at every deposit that comes to your account, they will charge you $1.5. It's fixed. So imagine you're receiving $1.5. It means you're going to have $0 after the deduction. That's how bad it is. Except you're expecting huge money, you receive something like, let's say, $20,000, then the fixed charge remains 1.5. It does not change. So if you are going to receive higher money, it's going to be better for you. You can see I have this when I started KDP. For those guys who are into KDP, called Amazon KDP. I started this then, and you can see from here, I have this. This is totally, I can't even use it because, and secondly, you need a minimum of $5 before you can withdraw your money. For those guys who you do KDP, you know what I mean. For example, you receive something like $4, you can't get it out. And the painful part is before your money is deposited, you are going to be charged 1.5. So if you are expecting $4, remove 1.5. That's why I say you should know their benefit. But they are pretty good because they give you all accounts. They give you Nigeria accounts because this is I did this video in Nigeria. So we have the USD, we have the GPB, and we have the Euro account because I think they give, it seems I'm not requested. Okay, you can see it here, Euro. Then the next one here is called Gray. Gray is a very beautiful platform, but they don't have a fixed rate. Yes, so they just charge you the way they want. Now, if I want to withdraw this, because it seems I was deposited, I don't know when this one came. It should be from Amazon, thereabout. Yes. So this is what happened. Let me just see how this transaction happened, occurred. Okay, this is deposited from Amazon.co.uk. Yes. The downside of this, I'm trying to check the downside, is their exchange rate, because their exchange rate, let's see their exchange rate now. For this, their exchange rate here now, let's change from here to, okay, let's see from in US dollar and see the rate. Let's see the rate. The rate here, we can see, okay, we have Nigerian to Euro, we have at 1,710, USD we have 1,572, then at GPB we have 2,004. This is a great one. It's 2004. Then for Clever, let's see what they have in their exchange rate. So if I want to log in, I will just log in quickly and see their exchange rate, which one is better. So this is Clever. Clever, it's very, 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 very. Their exchange rate here is 1,550. But in terms of authenticity, you can reach out to them in case you're scared. They have it. You can search on Twitter or currently called X. Search them on X and you can see Clever Banking. Same as Gray. You can search them on Twitter you follow them. Then at GiGPay as well, you can. So we have that of Payoneer, we have that of Clever, we have that of GiGPay, and we have that of Gray. The fastest among all is which one? Drop it at the comment section if you feel like, but I think Clever is the best. Then in terms of speed, in account creation, it won't take you more than 3 hours. Your account is ready in case you need an urgent USD account. GigPay, you need, in terms of the document, over here, you just need your BVN. Yes, you need your BVN over this place. For those guys in Nigeria, you need just your ID card, your national ID card, the slip. Yes, the digital slip. Then for GigPay, you need your LinkedIn profile, you need a utility bill, you need your statement of account, you need your freelancing website, and proof of payment that you have been paid. Imagine you being a beginner, you might be stranded and you might give up. That is why I say you should know all this. Then for Gray, it's very, very simple. All you need there, it's your bank statement. And which other one? Your bank statement is the most important one there. Yes, they just need your bank statement and a slip, and you'll be verified. So Gray is beautiful and very fast, and they give you all these accounts: USD, GPB, Europe, and Engine account, which you can see. So when I'm done, I'm going to convert this money and just use it to buy 1 or 2 stuffs. Then if you need a video tutorial, definitely I have all the tutorial ready. So all you have to do, if you want to create a Clever account, come to my channel. At the video you can see how to create your Clever account. I did this 1 month ago. Then if you want to create GigPay 2024, you can search for that. Just come to my channel, you can see that. Then if you want to create your Gray account, you can see that. Then if you want to be my friend, just subscribe to this channel. I'll give you access to Canva Pro so that you can enjoy unlimited designs using Canva. And as well, if you're into KDP, I want you to be my friend. So send me a DM. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and all stuff. Then at the description of this video, I'm going to put the link to creation of all this account. That is how to create Gray, how to create Clever, and how to create your GigPay account. Trust me, I believe you subscribe to this channel and I believe you've liked this video. So what do you have for me? At the comment section, if you want me to create any video, do that ASAP and I will attend to that. So thank you for your time and thank you for watching. And sure, if your account is created, don't forget to send me a DM. If you need anything, send me a message on WhatsApp and I'm going to. So go ahead and pick among those 3 which account you want to create. I didn't talk about Payoneer, so you can go ask. If you feel like creating Payoneer, you can just try all this. The tutorial available anywhere you can see it, you can go around with it. But I think this is enough for you. So please ensure you create this 3 account. That's all I'll just tell you. Create this 3 account, ensure you have Gray account, ensure you have GigPay account and Clever as well. You can follow them on Twitter as well. So thank you for subscribing, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.